friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a fantastic Wednesday. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Dollar General clearance event and the prep work that you can do now to have the most amount of success for the week-long clearance event. Yes, I said that correctly. It's going to be running for a week. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. It really helps out the channel and the video to ensure that it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could take a quick second and like the video, I would be so grateful. So I have been doing this clearance event for probably 5+ years, and the best thing that I can do to explain to you to get organized for this event is to scout your local store. What does the clearance section have? Do they have side caps with clearance stuff? Any of this stuff look familiar in your store? If possibly yes, you might, score big. These orange stickers that say clearance, this is called your POG. It's kind of actually advantageous if your store doesn't hang them because you'll be able to get stuff that's not tagged in this store, like, hidden. But look for these as well. Is this worth your time? Yes or no? I think this is the 6th one of the year. The last one that we had was the Labor Day weekend. And when you can get some of this stuff at an additional 50% off. So the Lysol wipes, 50% off for $1.57, subtracting $1 cash back, 57 cents for a canister of Lysol wipes. I mean, that's totally what it's about. And in a future video next week, I will explore all of the digital coupons with the cheapest items to find on the floor at the Dollar General. Now, the Dollar General clearance event can be very intimidating. If you don't know what you're looking for, if you don't know what you're doing, it's intimidating. But if you have a can-do attitude or I'd like to try that, that goes a really long way. If you're going to go in there and be super negative in the comments here saying you can't find anything at your store and everything's garbage and this is garbage and my channel's garbage, then that's cool. Take it somewhere else. But if you want to really explore a can-do attitude, you probably can go really far with this clearance event and get a table of stuff. The can-do attitude, possibly the most important with clearance shopping over at the Dollar General, because yes, it can be frustrating. So the event will be celebrated October the 4th, which is a Friday, going right till the following Thursday, which is the 10th. And typically on this page, we focus on the clearance section and then the POG clearance, the orange stickers, 50% of those pairing it with digital coupons. That's the magic that we're looking for. But there's also like lists and lists of things that are also included with an additional 50 to 70% off depending where your store is at. So I'm not going to go through everything. It's too much to go through. And shout out and thank you to Bargain Buster over on Instagram. She posted the list this morning and I just took an opportunity to type it out for you guys. But if you want to stop and read some of the stuff that will be included for that week. Now, for the rest of this video, I'm going to show you the coupons that I think you should be loading for the event that's starting on October the 4th. Lots of the P&G coupons expire on the 28th, which is Saturday. Please be mindful of that. So on Sunday, the 29th, we should get the new crop of P&G coupons. That's your Tide, your Tampax, your Dawn, all of that magic. Let's get right into this. I think these are the coupons that you should be loading and the coupons that I personally loaded. We have the 5 off of 2 for Tresemme. There was a lot of curl shampoo that was in the clearance section. Still in the clearance section with the 5 off of 2. We can get that for very cheap. We have the Safeguard and Ivory, $2 off. Look at the expiry dates, guys. This one expires in December the 27th, and it's $3 off of a Dunkin' or a Folgers. Like, that's your Christmas and birthday gift right there. But just load all these coupons because if you are going to try to make some deals happen October the 4th moving on, you're going to just need them. And they might not be loadable starting on Sunday as well. The Dollar General and their digital coupons, they can pull them at any time. We have the Dove men's body wash. This is a 5 off of 2 and it expires on October the 5th. Vaseline, a $2 off. I wonder if some of this stuff will just magically be part of it or be part of POG. We don't know. Sometimes the first couple days of the clearance event, that's when this stuff really starts populating and the magic starts happening. And we also have this $2 off of a Nivea. So just be mindful, really go through the app and see, okay, do I use this stuff? Is this stuff something that I want? And then we'll start looking at the matchups starting early next week. And we have this $2 off of a Dove bar soap. I know there was a mango one in the clearance section for the longest time, but I think most clearance sections have been cleared of that because that was such a hot deal. And then we also have a $6 off of an Airwick kit and a 5 off of 2 for the Axe products. I mean, I'd love to see a whole bunch of both into the clearance section. That would make my day. Now, one item that I saw a ton of in the clearance section that was new is a lot of cold, flu, those good products. So any sort of, like, if you need the Advil cold and flu or the different items, you know, to get better from a cold, Theraflu, that sort of stuff, load them. Because there was a whole host of them. And we're also going to be checking IBOTTA, Checkout 51, Fetch, in case there might be other rebates next week for that. But a lot of these products, like, man, they were very, very plentiful, and this is the clearance event for it. So that is it for this video, guys. Load those coupons and let's get organized for this clearance event. I am pretty hyper by it. I think it's going to be an excellent one. Especially, like, a lot of these products, there's very generous rebates right now on Checkout 51. If they reset next week, we will be in business. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.